Oh, I don't think it should be. I mean, myself, I don't like it. Never did try it, don't want to.
Opinion on
I
this?
would say no. I mean, there's no kids getting messed up with it the way it is, and it'd just be more. I wouldn't want my children to be able to walk up and buy it somewhere. You know, just anywhere.
No, sir, I don't.
Nope. Because I don't think it's really harmful, but I think it just leads to something else.
I don't have anything against it. It should be. In certain, if the people are for it, it should be. But I don't know. That's just my opinion.
I honestly couldn't give you whether I think it should be or not. It's really not that harmful from what I know about it. And it'll probably come to it. I mean, I'll say I'm not actually for it or against it, but I think eventually it will be legalized.
I think it's just a great opportunity that girls could be in such a thing. It's not only a beauty pageant, but it's gives you obligations for further your education and culture-wise.
You don't think you're being exploited or being shown off?
No, not really, no. That's the feminine part of a girl.
What will the state pageant in Parkersburg be like?
Well, to start off, we leave Monday, and we register Tuesday morning, and from then on we prepare, like going through practices from then on, and then they take us a tour of Parkersburg, and just preparing for the Friday and Saturday night competition.
That'll be the finals then?
Yes. and then from that they pick.
Should be changed to legalize marijuana.